Hi guys, happy Saturday. I thought we would just do a quick day in my life because I have a lot going on today. And yeah, I want to bring you guys with me. So here we go. Let's start Saturday. First thing we're gonna do is, it is Mother's Day weekend. So we are going to the Mother's Day market downtown. I'm not really sure what all is gonna be there, but we're gonna go check it out. And then I have flowers to plant, I have things to do outside. So yeah, let's spend Saturday together. I am home from the festivities. My niece and nephew are so cute. You should have seen my niece playing in the splash pad. But I'm eating some of this cake from the little cake bar thing, which is very good. Chocolate with strawberry frosting. Delish. And I think actually what I'm gonna do is I need to run to the store and get stuff to make the dogs their like food topper, and then change my clothes and get some of my flowers planted. I cannot get this closed. That's just gonna have to do. Yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Store, plant flowers, then I'll see. In the spirit of full disclosure, I took a nap, but now I'm ready to plant flowers. I have no motivation right now, but I'm going to separate my plants into each container where they're gonna go, and then just plant. I cut out all the audio here, but what I'm saying is that this is for my fountain planter. That is a project for tomorrow. All right, now that the patio flowers, the back patio flowers are pretty much done except for the bird bath project, which the final piece I'm waiting on is coming from Amazon tomorrow. I'm gonna go plant my flower bed at my container on my front porch. Not filming that because I have neighbors, but I will show you when it's done. Okay, I'm actually not gonna show you the vinca until tomorrow because they don't look good. I don't know if it's just because they were just transplanted or what, but they don't look good. So instead, I'm gonna show you the book haul that I just got. I am actually super excited about this haul. I feel a little bad because I did say I was, number one, not gonna buy any more books. Number two, not gonna buy any more from Amazon, but they had a buy one, get one 50% off sale. So I can continue my no Amazon book buying the rest of the year, right? After this. Okay, so let me show you the haul. Two of these are trophies, and that is Every Summer After, Carly Fortune. I love Carly Fortune, and I love this series. And one of my favorite books of 2026, Nightshade, by Autumn Woods. And I'm super excited for the second book to come out. I have pre-ordered it. I love this. Alex is one of my top 3 book boyfriends. So I'm super excited to have a physical copy of this. Next are 3 books I have not read. This one is probably the one I am most excited about. Into the Blue, Emma Brody. I tried to get this at Redfern in Salina, and they didn't have it, so I got it from Amazon. I'm so excited to read this. I've heard a lot of people talking about this. I haven't read it. Nocticadia. Look how gorgeous. Normally, I am not a, I don't care about sprayed edges, but this is actually really beautiful. Gorgeous. I love this. So I am excited to read this one. How is this described? Dark academia, gothic romance. Yeah, I don't know how else to explain this. But I am very excited. I actually like dark academia and that whole genre or trope. What's the right word? I don't know. More than I thought I would. And then the last one, this is one I just kind of stumbled upon, and I kind of, just because I think it's annoying, try to avoid the blank of blank and blank, like A Court of Thorns and Roses, a blah 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 blah, a blank of blah and blah. Like, I try to avoid those because they're just not my jam. But this one caught my eye. This is the Legacy series. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but it's called Reign of Shadows and Endings. And I think this is going to be a trilogy. I don't know, but apparently it's Fae. Out of all their creations, the gods favored their children the most, but with their favor came the fear that their legacy would one day be too powerful. A world the gods forgot, a historical event. So the Fae, they go through this process called the selection and have to serve in one of the 6 kingdoms. And the main character sounds like she's Tessalyn. Tessalyn? She finds herself the personal source to the heir of endings. So I don't know. I will update you on this, but that is the haul. I am so excited for all of these books. I can't wait to read them. And I just finished a book this morning, so maybe I should start. I don't know, maybe. Hi guys, it is Sunday, Mother's Day. It's been a very busy day. I'm finally home. I need to finish up a couple of projects outside and then finish up some meal prep for the night. So it's 6:40. I want to get this done by 8. So we got to get a move on. I'm sure some wine will help get it done quicker, right? Okay, so it's not doing much with the water right now because that, the sun is going down. So I will let you know how this looks tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna show you the Vinca. They look much better today. Here they are, little cuties. We're wrapping up this vlog. I don't really have like a whole lot to, like a good outro or whatever, but I did finish Kingdom of Ash, so I thought I would tell you my thoughts. First off, I guess I don't know if I should keep doing my reading vlogs because I just don't feel like they're doing that great. I don't know. Maybe I need feedback or something. I'm not really sure. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I decide. But it seems like my reading stuff does a lot better on TikTok than it does on YouTube. But anyway, absolutely loved this series. I think my favorite book was Empire of Storms. I don't know why. I just loved that book. There was just so much going on, and to see like the development of new relationships, I really enjoyed. And yeah, I don't know. I liked Tower of Dawn when I finished it more than I thought I would. And I liked Kingdom of Ash, but there was like all of that torture. Was that like 200 pages of torture? Like that was a lot. That was a lot. So yeah, and I'm not really a tab your books reader, but one thing that I did tab in here is Adian is talking to Evangeline, and he says, basically he says, we have something to fight for. Because of that, we can overcome our fear. We can fight against them to the very end. For those we love, we can rise above the fear. And I just thought that was awesome. That whole little paragraph and speech that he gave her. I loved that. But so that's the one tab in my book. But anyways, that's going to do it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one.